Today I have got Portronics Power Plate 7, a 2500 watt power extender. Now, everyone knows what a power extender is, but I want to tell you 4 reasons why you might still need one, even if you already have enough wall sockets. Let's quickly unbox and see what we get inside the box. We have a warranty card and the power extender itself. It also comes with a 2-meter power cord. Most extension boards come with a much shorter cable, so the extra length gives you a lot more flexibility while setting up your desk. Now, let me explain why you might need one of these. Reason number 1, it's obvious, you get 8 power sockets. I specifically bought the 8-socket extender because I was simply running out of sockets for all my devices. The best part is, I can switch on one button and my Mac Mini, monitor, speakers and everything else powers on together. Now, if you prefer controlling each device separately, you can always use a multi-plug adapter like this. Second reason, protection against overvoltage. Instead of plugging everything directly into different wall sockets, you have one organized place for all your devices, and the extender also includes overload protection for the connected devices. Third reason, this model comes with 6 USB charging ports. So if you want to charge devices like your keyboard, mouse, speaker or earbuds, you do not have to occupy another power socket or use separate charging adapters. It saves both space and money. Fourth reason, this is probably my favorite reason, a clean desk usually only looks clean from the front. Behind the desk, there is normally a huge mess of cables. The extension board is lightweight, so you can easily mount it to the back of your desk using double-sided tape. That makes cable management much easier and your setup looks much cleaner. If you are building or upgrading your desk setup, this is one accessory that makes a much bigger difference than you might expect. I will leave the link in the description if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.